In 2019, a study was conducted in North India which found that almost 55% of males have fatty liver disease. Among them, 1.5% had alcoholic fatty liver and 53.5% had NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. If we talk about the US, almost 25% of the population is affected by this disease. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, now referred to as metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, MASLD, involves the buildup of extra fat in the liver that is not caused by alcohol. It is normal to have some fat in the liver, but if it exceeds 5 to 10% of the liver's weight, it is called fatty liver, steatosis. Its more advanced form is called non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH, where the liver swells and becomes damaged. Until now, we did not have any medicine that could directly target this condition. However, on March 14, 2024, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved Rezdiffra, Resmetirom, for treatment along with diet and exercise. Rezdiffra received accelerated approval, and now, the sponsor company Madrigal needs to complete post-approval studies to verify the drug's clinical benefit. The safety and efficacy of Rezdiffra were evaluated by the FDA based on surrogate endpoints. It was evaluated based on 12 months of data, although the trial duration was 54 months in a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial. We will discuss the types of trials in upcoming videos. Talking about Rezdiffra's clinical trials, its Phase 1 trial started in 2018 with the main purpose of characterizing the pharmacokinetic, PK, profiles of MGL 3196 and its major metabolite, MGL 3623, following administration of multiple oral doses in subjects with varying degrees of hepatic impairment compared to healthy matched control subjects. The molecule of this drug was named MGL 3196 during the trial. If you remember the video on why pharmacovigilance, you will know why this is called molecule. Phase 1 was completed in August 2021, with 87 patients enrolled. The Phase 2 study was conducted in different centers in the U.S. for 36 weeks, screening 348 patients and enrolling 125 patients. Patients in the treatment group showed a significant reduction in hepatic fat after 12 and 36 weeks of treatment. Phase 3 study started in March 2019, and its estimated completion date is January 2028. As of October 2023, 1,759 patients have been enrolled in this study. The approval for this drug was based on surrogate endpoints instead of the planned 54 months, with patients followed for just 12 months so far. Data from 888 patients for 12 months are available, with 296 patients receiving 100 milligrams, 298 patients receiving 80 milligrams, and 294 patients receiving placebo treatment. After 12 months, most patients receiving Rezdiffra showed resolution of NASH or improvement in liver scarring. The most common side effects were diarrhea and nausea. Certain warnings and precautions need to be followed with Rezdiffra, such as avoiding its use in patients with decompensated cirrhosis and stopping the drug if liver function worsens. If Rezdiffra is used with certain drugs like statins for lowering cholesterol, it can interact. Companies like Acro Therapeutics, 89 Bio, Viking Therapeutics, and Sagimet Biosciences are conducting mid- and late-stage trials of their drugs in this disease area. The purpose of this video was to provide an update and, more importantly, to explain how the progression of clinical trials occurs and what benefits are gained from conducting clinical trials and collecting information with an example. Our next video will be about clinical trials, where we will explain different aspects of clinical trials. Stay informed, stay tuned, and stay healthy.